Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a demonstration and I hope you join in with beginner reformer. Now remember, by the time we've done complete beginner reformer, we are now ready to introduce intermediate exercises. So we must make sure that that beginner reformer is really perfect. Out, under, up, and you lift as you come in. So not everybody looks like this. It's very difficult to sit upright with that much hip flexion, but you try your best. Out and in. Now the stalk, bend one knee in, still a C curve, and out and in. This is very difficult for men to bend like this. You can always drop it for men, okay? One more, and bend it in, tailbone heavy, and out, and I'm checking that she's dead center and that both legs are working equally and that both legs are straightening equally.